everybody, we will tell you my phone. Introduction, the new IQ phone. This is YouTube to buy an exciting phone. First, we will tell you what the phone can do. Secondly, we can going to tell you what is the phone color. Finally, we will tell you who it is for and you should buy it. This phone has many functions. It can see movies, watch TV, play games, watch the clock, and call my friend. It is black, red, and white. It look like you. You should buy it because it is the best phone in the world.
You have to buy this phone. It can do everything you want it to do. It will make your life very, very happy. Remember, this phone is for baby use too. Because it will make a baby have a very, very high IQ and